Please go to your lab stations. Don't get too creative now, and for God's sake, don't eat anything. Fascinating, isn't it? Good work. You have a future in chemistry. Good job. Keep paying attention. Satisfactory work, James. I'll see you next time.
It was easy. Glad that's done. So did you keep ready to go to sleep? Also, for your sake. Something to tell you. Oh, you like that crane? It was a tiger. Hey, you.
There you are. Come on, I found something incredible.
Hold on, relax, man. I can't keep getting in trouble. I can't get expelled again.
It's always about me with you. Me, me, me. I'm thinking bigger picture, and you're worrying about getting into trouble? You know what? You really are something.
What bigger picture?
We are gonna take over this school.
We are not taking over anything right now.
Time and tide wait for no man, my friend. But it seems they do wait for a wannabe tough guy who's nothing but a little girl.
You're full of it.
So you keep telling me, look, now come on. I promise you, after this, things are never gonna be the same again. Oh, I'm so excited. I should have stopped taking those pills ages ago.
Yeah, right. Whatever you say, Gary.
Hey, idiots! Jimmy's gonna kick your ass! Right, Jimmy?
Wait up! I got something to tell you! Come on, Pansy!
You're all finished! Stop! I'm gonna make your life a misery!
Oh, so you're gonna start a fighting?
You're gonna hate me!
That's all you got. We make a great team. Finished.
After you! This is a little different from how I remember it. You better lead the way. I think that switch over there controls the door. Not here. Follow me. That cage wasn't locked before. There has to be a way to get into the cage.
What's this do?
Jimmy, over here! We can't get in there. How can we get at the switch? Hey, Jimmy, see if you can knock the broom over somehow. Not here, follow me. Now here's another switch I used to... Whoa! 5 wires!
Click.
Looks like I'll have to hold this down to get the power. You climb through and get the switch. I'm a genius. Almost there.
Score.
Huh, a steam leak. I've heard of those happening, but I've never seen one. If you could lower the furnace temperature a bit, I bet the steam would stop.
I might need that.
Oh, there's a fire extinguisher in plain view. Maybe that can be used to cool the furnace. Quick, before it heats up again. It's right down there. So, Jimmy boy, here we are, the hole. The place where this school separates the men from the boys, the wheat from the chaff, and all that nonsense.
Okay, so what's that got to do with standing up to people, keeping them in line?
This is where I stand up to you, my friend.
What are you talking about?
I know you hate me, Jimmy boy. I know you said all that stuff about me behind my back.
What are you talking about?
Don't play innocent with me. You want to run this school? I want to run this school. Only one of us is gonna make it. And it's gonna be me! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and morons, I give you Russell!
Oh, man.
Me, Russell!
Gary, now I hate you.
I know, Russell. Go beat that little jerk who said that nasty stuff to me about your mom and those barnyard animals.
What? Come here. Russell wants vengeance.
You happy now, jerk?
Ecstatic! I love to watch two morons beat the crap out of each other.
Why'd you do it, Gary? I thought we were friends.
Friends? You and me. I've taken dumps that had more brains than you, friend. No. I'm taking over this school, and you're just a liability. See you around, moron!
Well done, Jimmy. Yeah, great. What a waste of time. You all right, Russell?
Yeah?
Look, I never said anything about your mom or farmyard animals.
You did it?
No, but I want you to stop bullying weak kids.
Why?
Because there are a bunch of kids around this place who need a beating, and you're picking on the few who don't. So I want you to leave me and him alone.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Bad Russell.
With Russell pacified, I could be forgiven for thinking my troubles at Bullworth were over. But this place is a rotten onion. Peel off one stinking layer, and there's another even smellier one beneath.
Well, Jimmy, word on the street is you're something of a pugilist.
No, sir, I never pugilized in my life.
Really? And that you've been saying some entertaining things about me and some barnyard animals.
No, I never said that.
Well, I listen to things, Hopkins. You try and stay out of trouble. Now go see the cook down in the kitchen. Helping her might teach you some humility.
Okay, sir.
Hey, new kid. You're that guy that beat up Russell.
So, what's it to you?
Hey, listen, we like to box, the noble art and all that. Why don't you come down by our gym in old Bullworth Vale? We should definitely hang out. Yeah, I've heard a lot of things about you.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay?
I can't wait to watch the game.
Fiddle, fiddle, fiddle.
Have you ever been to the old observatory?
Please,
I'm gonna tell someone you did that! I have to.
Ah, here we are again. Please get out your sketchbooks. You certainly captured my character, I think. Very.
You better be taking notes. There we go. done.
Do you ever go into town? Sports are fun.
School rules are quite clear on this subject. Quite clear. No alcohol on school grounds. You're drunk. I can smell it on your breath. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm not drunk.
Drunk? In charge of children? What kind of monster drinks in front of children?
Parent?
A disgraceful one, yes. You've got a problem, haven't you?
I'm just under a lot of pressure.
Well, I'm a kind and supportive colleague, Galloway. And as such, I think it is my duty to get you sacked.
Do whatever you want, Hattrick. You always do.
The head will find out about this.
You okay, sir?
Jimmy. No, I'm not okay. I'm half drunk and I'm about to get fired. Fantastic. Oh, I'm a washed up old drunk and I'm only 34. English, you see, is a difficult subject to teach. I've tried any number of things to dull the pain. Yoga, meditation, needlepoint, looking at dubious sites on the internet. But nothing dulls the pain like scotch.
Come on, sir. Put that away.
Are you mad? This is manna from the gods!
Give me that. Let's get rid of this before you get busted.
That's very kind of you, Jimmy. Miss Phillips is the only teacher to know about my vice. Take it to her. She will know what to do.
It looks like Hattrick and Galloway are at it again.
Better collect that.
Hey!
Sorry, sir.
These are very serious allegations, Mr. Hattrick.
You'll see. He won't get away with it this time.
I hope so.
That child had a bottle!
Hopkins, I see you there. Wait now.
You're gonna wish I had it.
I wish Bullworth had a field.
I wish I could do something wild and exciting. Hi there.
Here they are. I think that's all of them.
Thanks, Jimmy.
You're welcome, Ms.
Please take this.
I'm good. That's all there is to it.
Up and watch you. I'm gonna bring.
All right, you feckless maggots. We'll be playing dodgeball for the next while. Ah, dodgeball! How I love the sound of boys crying in the morning. Much like real life, the strongest will prevail. All right, you lazy bums, look alive! Good! Hopkins, you're with the wimps. I want everyone to give their best, boys, their best!
Let's try not to lose this time,
You're
guys!
outclassed and outmatched.
You are going to be left in the
Save yourselves the humiliation. You better be ready to lose, because I'm ready to win.
There's only going to be one of us victorious. Me!
You're pretty dumb for trying this, loser. This is my time to shine, so just know that. You know, I'm better than you. Why are you even trying? Of course we won.
Did we lose again?
Stop pretending you have
Who's
a chance.
on top? We're on top!
You're still gonna lose?
I knew you were a loser, but you're
Bucky
stupid
doesn't
too.
lose.
You forget that I'm an expert!
You better be ready to lose, because I'm ready to win. I don't even need to try my victory against the likes of you.
Why do we always have to lose?
Pump, you don't mess with me!
Why are boys so confused?
Don't get up next time!
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Ah, greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and Gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean 10 bucks.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
Hi!
This is the funnest piece of paper I've ever had. What? You forgot your skinny boots or whatever? Why don't you get bent?
I'm so telling on you.
How can I be expecting
Make a friend soon, because I'm running out of cash to buy stuff.
See ya! Nice trick. See you next fall. Walk much?
I wish I could stay in bed.
Almost caught me. Eat more, nerd mother. Have a nice trip. See you next fall. You really do care, don't you? most confident. Want lunch? I won't stop until you Something you really do care. Don't. Hey, what's with the unfair fighting? Hey, that's cheating.
That's for me.
Please help us, Jimmy!
Halt immediately.
I'll aid you in your battle against evil!
This might be useful.
Ah! I needed those!
This school is...
Says you have to be nice to me. I really love it.
You'll be prosecuted to the max.
That window's been broken. What the heck are you...
Now I'm going to have to punish you.
Oh, come on!
No such thing as magic, Dweeb.
Why do you have to be so mean? Oh, yeah! I'll save ya! Oh, no! Violence! That's what you get for messing with the wrong people, and don't you forget it! Get
Great.
that ogre! Slay him!
Sweet. All right, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
All right, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, you kick him in the nuts until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the sheep. If not, we keep it.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right
If
there.
only I could get my okay, you win. I give up.
What have we here?
You recovered my precious documents! Thank you, sir! You are a noble man indeed!
Just give me the money, Melvin.
You have earned it! And don't forget about the wenches! Brilliant! Sweet!
There was never any doubt.
Hello. Nice to...
Greetings,
Hi.
comrades!
Can you help me, sir?
You realize how much you suck. Save it for something.
What's cooking?
I fell from 5 flights, and I feel good.
Hello.
I'm sure he was just kidding. Would you mind giving me a hand?
Nice.
Ah, shut up, kid. It adds flavor flavor to it. You want to give it a go?
Sure.
Try and get some bits in it.
I've got performance anxiety.
Get used to it, kid. You're a man. It's all downhill from here, my friend. Anyway, what do you want?
Nothing. The head sent me.
He did? Oh, yeah! I need you to go to town and pick up some meat and other things for me. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to put one of Ms. Phillips' cats in the casserole again.
Okay.
Let me see. I need some meat from Yum Yum Market. Oh, and a razor from the barber's for my stash. And, oh yeah, some new knickers from Worn In. I've had these on since last term. Hurry up! Go, take my bike. It's that fine machine out there by the school gates.
All right. Gross.
Did I take my medication?
Got my eye on you.
What's this?
That's incredible!